Hey, what's up? Today I've got a box of 2025 Topps Series 1. This is going to be a retail blaster box, 20 packs in here. So I'm going to get going. No guaranteed hits in this box, so I won't be incredibly disappointed if I don't pull anything good, but you never know. Got it off of Fanatics. These things run about $70. It's like hanger packs. Pretty cool. I have not opened any of these yet. Some people say that they have had good luck with them. So we've got Freddie Peralta, Nathaniel Lowe, Braves checklist, Pete Crow Armstrong, Red Sox checklist. It's going to be Spencer Steer, Brandon Marsh, Vinny Pasquantino, Ryan Helsley, Pedro Leon. Got a Juan Soto greatest hits. Got an insert here. This is going to be a Mike Trout, Gunnar Henderson, and Joe Ryan. Pack number 2. Something weird. A little blank card. That's odd. Got Bailey Ober, Danny Jansen. Got league leaders Marcelo Zuna, Francisco Lindor, DJ Hertz, Isaac Paredes, Anthony Volpe, Randy Arozarena, Hunter Fiducia, Jock Peterson. Got a MLB Stars Corbin Carroll, Ceddanne Rafaela, and Braves team card. Next hanger pack. Emmanuel Kleiss, Brent Rooker, Spencer Schwellenbach, Riley Green, Eloy Jimenez, Willie Castro, Chris Bassett, Alec Burleson, Jace Jung, Angels team card with a brown border. Got a 1990 Jose Altuve, MLB Stars Vlad Guerrero Jr., Nacho Alvarez Jr., and Lane Thomas. Sorry about that. Next pack. Adael Amador, Brian Rocchio, Brian De La Cruz, Tyler Locklear, Zach Neto, Seth Lugo, Lars Nootbaar, Shea Whitcomb, Kai Bush, Mike Trout, Bobby Witt Jr., Carlos Correa star, Andrew Vaughn, and Aaron Judge. Moving on. Grant McCray, Andrew Benintendi, Christopher Sanchez, Eugenio Suarez, Freddie Freeman, Ryan Pepio, Red Sox team card, Lourdes Gurriel Jr., Chris Taylor, Michael Ciani. Got a Chipper Jones, some kind of insert, and the stars of Luis Robert Jr., Ellie De La Cruz, Slam dunk talent. So this next pack has another one of these beepers. I think these are theft prevention devices. Very strange. Got Andres Chaparro, Luis Rengifo, Brady Singer, Mason Wynn, Brandon Marsh, Angel Martinez, John Gray, Orioles team card, Adolis Garcia, Phillies team card. Got a foil refractor of Rhett Lauder and Jordan Alvarez Stars, David Hamilton, and Sterling Marte. All right, we've got Angels team card. Gabriel Moreno, Tyler Glasnow, Richie Palacios, Pete Crow Armstrong, Stars, Future Stars, Red Sox team card, Spencer Steer, MLB Leaders, Orlando Garcia, Christian Yelich, dropped that, and beneath Yelich, I've got a 1990 Adele Amador. And then we've got a Stars of Tatis Jr., Ernie Clement, and MLB Leaders. Moving on to the next hanger pack. Luis Garcia Jr. Got a Wins Leaders, Ronald Acuna Jr., Rhys Hoskins, Paul Blackburn, Thairo Estrada, Tyler Phillips, Brandon Foote, Sean Reynolds, Kyle Quintrell, Danny Mikado. Got a Devers MLB Stars, Rafael Devers, Aaron Schunk, and Kenta Maeda. So obviously pretty good cards if you're going to build a set, but not great for hits, obviously. All right, we've got Kobe Mayo, Zach Eflin, Jose Miranda, Christian Mena, Will Brennan, Dylan Cease, Michael McGreevy, Reds team card, Reese Olson, Logan Webb, Grapefruit League Gunnar Henderson, MLB Stars of James Wood. This is not bad. Michael Toglia, and Andrew Bogarts. Right. Moving on. Yet another theft device card. Wish those were worth something. Be raking in those hits. We've got Mitch Haniger, Yilber Diaz, rookie card, Yainer Diaz, J.P. Crawford, MLB Leaders, Tyler Stevenson, Zach Wheeler, Ian Happ, Brandon Nimmo, Nolan Shanuel. Got pretty interesting, looks like maybe a cracked foil, Tyler Stevenson. Got MLB Stars, Corey Seager. Connor Joe, and Blake Dunn. All right, next pack we've got Corey Seager, Padres team card. Max Schwimmen, Jake Burger, Clayton Kershaw, Sonny Gray, John Kenzie Noel, Andrew Abbott, Paul Skeens, All-Star rookie. Oh my gosh, and I got an actual hit in here. This is cool. All right, now, Kerry Carpenter. This is an autographed card in a retail box. Do not adjust your computer. Pretty excited. This one is not serial numbered, but nice hit. Got a Carlos Correa, 1990, and an MLB Stars Brooks Lee, Mike Yastrzemski, and Chase McDermott. The anti-theft card. We've got David Festa, Matt Verling, Lamonte Wade Jr., Joey Cantillo, Zach DeZenzo, Seth Brown, Nick Gordon, got Taj Bradley, Connor Norby, Christopher Encarnacion Strand. Got an insert here. This is going to be a foil Brandon Lowe, MLB Stars, Julio Rodriguez, Jordan Alvarez, and Dylan Moore. So we've got 8 packs left. Let's get at it. Already a great box with the autograph. Better than I expected. Mark Vientos, Jordan Westberg. We've got Perfect Weather in San Diego, Travis D'Arnaud, Jake Cronenworth, Brooke Baldwin, Brendan Doyle, Yu Darvish, Dylan Dingler, Jose Altuve, 1990 Mark McGwire. Got Dylan Cruz, so both got both stars of both Cruz and Wood, the big Nationals rookies. We've got Nico Horner and Edwin Diaz. Next pack. Austin Riley, Trevor Miguel, Nathan Eovaldi, Yankees team card, Angel Martinez, John Gray, Orioles team card, Ryan Thompson, Tommy Edman, Brandon Lowe. Got a foil, maybe glitter foil, MLB HR leaders, MLB Stars, Bryce Harper, Dalton Varsho, and here's the regular home run leaders card. All right, next pack. Ketel Marte. Gets back from his injury soon. Shohei Ohtani, Pedro Pages, Brant Herter, Eugenio Suarez, Freddie Freeman, Ryan Pepio, Rhett Lauder, Jared Kelling, Got an insert here. This is going to be a pink foil of Connor Wong. Never had a pink before. It's kind of neat. It might be retail exclusive. Got a Paul Skeens 90, not bad at all. And a Shohei Ohtani Stars. Not a bad pack. Lawrence Butler and Jesus Sanchez to wrap that pack up. All right, down to the final 5. Michael Busch, Garrett Cole, Tyler Soderstrom, Rafael Devers, Andres Jimenez, Kaseon Kim, Bradley Blaylock, Charlie Blackmon, Giancarlo Stanton, Kyle Harrison, Esquel Tovar, got a Yelich, Christian Yelich, Stars, MLB, Jazz Chisholm Jr., and Jackson Holiday. All right, next pack, we've got Mauricio Dubon, Luis Castillo, Tyler Gentry, Reds team card, Nick Lodolo, Bryson Stott, Ben Rice, Kyle Schwarber, Kate Povich, Dansby Swanson, Caught at the Hall, Ricky Henderson, RIP, Gunnar Henderson, MLB Stars, Will Warren, and Mike Tauchman. 3 packs left. Hunter Green, Mitch Keller, Ryan Bliss, Josh Naylor, RBI leaders, Tyler Stevenson, Zach Wheeler, Christian Mena, Kyle Finnegan, Yankees team card, Miguel Vargas, Nolan Arenado, MLB Stars, Jose Caballero, and Nico Cavadas. 2 more left. Corey Lee, Ranger Suarez, Reese Hines, Shea Whitcomb, Eloy Jimenez, Willie Castro, Chris Bassett, Mariners team card, Tanner Houck, Jeff McNeil, Tony Gwynn, called at the Hall, RIP, Jose Ramirez, Stars of MLB, Jake McCarthy, and Will Smith. Final pack. And I can already feel another anti-theft card in here. Doesn't mean there's something in here, but like a hit. But I think it might be to throw off certain people who are going through cards at stores. Let's get rid of that one first. We've got Taylor Ward, Michael Garcia, Nolan Arenado, Trey Sweeney, Red Sox team card, Zach Neto, Seth Lugo, Lars Nootbaar, Joey Ortiz, Jose Berrios, got a Tommy Edman foil card, MLB Stars Paul Skeens, pretty cool, and Pete Fairbanks, and we'll wrap it up with a Dodgers team card. So I'm a fan of that box. It's done better for me than many of my hobby boxes so far. Thanks for watching the break, and catch you on the next one.